Hey everybody, I wanted to spend a little more time going over seating charts because some of y'all have a specific pattern in your room like I do that you like to use, and you want to lay out every seating chart to be the same, and it would be really nice if we had a template that would allow us to do that. Well, you can build that into one class, save it, and then copy it into all your other classes. And that's what this video is about. Now, I've already given you a video on how to build your seating charts, and that's what I've already done here. You can see I've got a basic seating chart here that is my standard room. This is how I always set my room up. I've been doing this, I think, my 23rd year now, and every year this is my same layout. So, unlike Ms. Gill has to change her layout every day, sometimes 2 or 3 times a day. Not me. I'm happy I've got one thing that works. Now, from this layout, I'm going to hit the down arrow. I'm going to click on New Layout, and under the New Layout, we've got some choices here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to call this Standard because this is my standard layout, and I'm going to click Create New Layout from scratch, and I'm going to hit Finish. And now you can see that I have a basic template. And for that basic template, I'm going to take and build in the same layout that you saw in this layout that I have right here. Now we're going to take and do that under the new standard layout. Alright, I paused it for just a minute so I could recreate the layout I had right here. And now that I have it, it's still listed under standard layout. I'm just going to take and hit, whoops, things are changing here. Hold on, let the computer catch up. Alright, we had some technical difficulties, but now I am back with you. We left off, I believe, where we created our new standard page, and now we're going to take and go to a different class period. So I'm going to come over here to the left, click on Start Page, and then I'm going to go to my first period class, because the seating chart I created was in my second period. So in my first period class, I'm going to click right here. And now I'm going to create another new layout. I'm going to hit New Layout, only this time we're going to call it Start from Pre-Existing Layout. And I'm going to call this one Standard First Period, just like you see right there. Start from Pre-Existing Layout, and I'm going to click Next. From here, we're going to click the down arrow. We're going to click on Semester 1. And in Semester 1, what do you see there under 2A? I've got Standard as an option. Now, this is a cool option. If you've got a class that has this, or you have the same student appearing multiple times through the day, and you want to keep them in the same seat, you could assign seats in the standard layout and save that, and then import to the next class period, and it will take and put that child in the same exact seat. Now, I don't have any of that going on this year, so I'm just going to click Finish right here. And now, zoom it out a little bit, what do you see? I have the same exact layout I had before. But we're not done. There's still something else I can do. I can go to my seating chart design, and now I can auto-populate these seats if I want. So I could take and set it by alphabet, hit Add, and it auto-populates them. Then you can move them to how you want them. Or I can take and set it to be alternate male and female. You can take and undo that, and you can take and just say randomly. So you can set your kids up to do randomly. And actually right here, where do I want to start? I want to start at we'll call the bottom right this time. And now it started down here, randomly put them in, and you can just do the adjusting you need from there. So it's a really quick, simple way that you can assign seats and also have the same basic layout, the same seating chart going from one class to the next. Makes it super simple, super quick, because you guys know what I do in teaching. Simple and quick is a wonderful thing to have. I hope you find this useful. Don't forget to hit your save button if you do that. I'm not going to save it. I'm going to undo that one because I'm not done yet. Oops, I forgot one last thing I wanted to show you. If you wanted this to be the seating chart that you default to every single time, once you've selected the standard first there, I'm going to hit Edit, and now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click Default, and that's going to be the default layout. So every time you open your seating chart to either see where a child is or take attendance, things of that nature, it's automatically going to default to that layout first. This works great for me. For Miss Gill, well, she's going to have to select the mood for the day. You all have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.